Welcome my friends, I am back with a new topic, new continent, South America. So South America is a continent that lies in the southern hemisphere and it is a quite big continent with its main countries as Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Peru, Colombia and many more are there. So now we will talk about a famous city of South America, that is Machu Picchu. It lies in Peru and is a wonder, one of 7 wonders that are there. Now we'll talk about the food of South America. So maize is the staple food of South America that is stuffed in different breads with meat, cheese, etc. The people from this country called Peru like very spicy and chili food. Now we will talk about the trees and plants of South America. So you might be knowing South America contains Amazon rainforest that has almost all the trees and plants in the world. More than 40,000 species of plants lie in South America due to its Amazon rainforest. Amazon is also a river which is the second longest river in the world. The first longest river is Nile that starts from Egypt and is there in Africa. Now, talking about the wildlife of South America, that is also very rich due to the Amazon rainforest. More than 10% of world's animal species are there in South America. Jaguars and tapirs lie on the ground, whereas snakes and lizards and other insects crawl on the ground. Toucans, kingfishers, etc. swoop off the Amazon river, whereas dolphins, turtles and tortoises swim in the Amazon. Now we will talk about the culture of South America. That's also extremely rich. South America's samba and tango dance are very famous all over the world. This tango dance originated and evolved in the slums. Samba dance is done in the 5-day carnival that happens every year in Brazil, in the capital of Brazil, that is Brasilia. Now we will talk about the landscape of South America. In the west there are mountains and extremely high peaks such as the Andes, and going towards the east the Amazon rainforest stretched till Brazil's east area. Now we will talk about a famous civilization that lies in South America. It is called Incas. Incas was a civilization extremely dominant in 12th century. It was the last great civilization of South America, and it came over many other civilizations and other regions such as the Chimu and other regions in South America and spread it from Chile to Brazil all the way till Peru. So Incas was an important civilization. In the 15th century, the Spaniards, when heard about this rich heritage of Incas, they came and set up their colonies, and in the year 1532, they demolished this civilization. Now, we will do a small quiz about South America. Till the time you can focus on it and see the countries. Here we are back with the quiz, and today's quiz contains 5 questions. So the first question is, which is the famous South American rainforest? An easy question. So option A, Brazilian rainforest, option B, Amazon rainforest, option C, Nile rainforest, and option D, Aragon rainforest. The correct answer is Amazon rainforest, option B. So I said you about this. Which dance of South Africa evolved in slums? Option A, tango. Option B, samba. Option C, ballet. Option D, jazz. The correct answer is tango over here. And samba is also a South American dance that is done in the 5-day carnival of South America. Ballet is a Russian dance which is famous in Europe, and jazz is a style of singing like rock and roll famous in the US. It was a dominant civilization in South America. Option A, Incas. Option B, Indus Valley. Option C, Harappa. And option D, Libyan. The correct answer is Incas. Option A. Indus Valley was in the Indian and Pakistan area, and the same with Harappa. The next question: which people make colorful ear ornaments? So this is a question that I did not discuss. Option A, Incas. Option B, Chimu. Option C, Tribbian. Option D, Peruvians. So the correct answer is Chimu. Chimu was the same civilization that was conquered by the Incas, and they made colorful ear ornaments. Peruvians are the people from Peru. What percentage of animal species are in Amazon rainforest? Option A, 10%, option B, 9%, option C, 7%, and option D, 3%. The correct answer is option A, 10%. World's 10% of species lie in the Amazon rainforest. So today we have learned little bit about South America and have done the quiz. I hope you liked the video.